welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If it's your first time here, hey girl, hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Matter of fact, let's just go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. Hit the subscribe, hit the like button on this video before we go ahead and dive into it. We are of course doing another Coach bag unboxing today, y'all. It's been a minute. If you follow me, because you know I do my Coach bag unboxings, girl, it's been a minute. Coach hadn't been dropping no hot bags, but they got hot bags right now, y'all, and I got my hands on one, and we are going to talk about it. We're going to talk about it. So, I'm going to shut up. I'm going to go ahead and insert a clip of me opening this bag with you guys, and then we're going to come back, and we're going to talk about it, as usual. Y'all know how we do. Okay, you guys, so you would have saw me opening that bag up with you guys. Now let's go ahead and just talk about this bag, because like, girl, let's talk about it. So this is the bag here. So cute, so petite, small. Now I'm gonna keep it a buck with you guys. When I brought this bag and I opened it up, I was really shocked by how small this bag was. Like, I knew it was the smaller version to the sister of the bag, but I didn't realize it was this small, girl. So I'm gonna say, if you guys are familiar with the brand Telfair, I believe that's how you pronounce it, their small bags, this kind of reminds me of their small bags. Of course, not with the height. The Telfair is a little shorter than this, but it is very much small, just like this bag. And like, I'm just gonna put it up on the side of my head. It's small. It's small. Look at it in my hand. Like, hi. It's a really small bag, but it's cute. It's cute. We're gonna talk about it though. So it is covered in that refined pebble leather. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. It has that refined pebble leather, which I really love. I feel like it enhances the durability of the bag. Of course, with all leather bags, you still want to be careful to make sure you don't scratch it, but it's not like that soft leather or the pillow, the tabby pillow soft bag, you know, those scratch really easily. But the pebble leather has a little bit of roughness to it, you know. So I love bags that's covered in that pebble leather, and it just gives us a little bit of detail and just makes it look a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? So inside of the bag does have an inside multifunctioning pocket. It is, oh, right here, girl. You might not be able to see it because of the black on black. But with that being said, it is lined in black fabric on the inside. So it is lined in black fabric. It does have an inside multi-functioning pocket. It does have a drawstring closure on it. This is the drawstring closure right here. So this is what's going to securely close your bag. The handle on this bag right here is a 4-inch drop handle. As far as the measurements of the bag goes, we have 6 inches in the length of the bag, 7 inches in the height of the bag, and then 4 inches in the width of the bag. Now, what I do love about this bucket bag is it does have feet on it. So that's a major plus for me, because when you go to sit your bag down, you're not sitting it straight on the surface. It has those feet on there to protect the bag. So that's also going to enhance the longevity and the durability of your bag. Now, if you wanted to wear this bag, as a crossbody or a shoulder strap bag, it does come with a 27-inch drop detachable strap for crossbody or shoulder wear. I'm going to zoom in, show you the little details, and of course it is adjustable to whatever size you need it to be. Now, normally when my bags come with extra straps, very rarely do I ever utilize them, but this I have been loving. I've been loving to carry this bag as a crossbody, especially on days that I don't want to hold it, you know, by the handle. I've been loving to carry it as a crossbody, and this thing really comes in handy. And because it's like, how can I, like a fabric based, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't even know what type of fabric to call it, but it's not leather, but it's just so soft on your skin, girl. Like, it's just so soft. I love that. So this really comes in handy to me. Now, as you guys know, if you're not new to my channel, I do have the Coach Dempsey carry-all bag, and I brought it out just to show you guys the comparisons in sizes of the two bags. This is also back on the website, so if you didn't get this bag the first go around, go ahead and check it out, because it is back on there. If you want a full review on this bag, be sure to check my channel out. I do have a video talking about this bag here. But here is the two bags side by side, so you can kind of see the height difference between the two, height and size difference. Now, if I take this bag and put it directly in front of here, you can see it's about half, almost half the size of the Dempsey Carry All, and that's just lining them both up side by side. So it's about half the size of the Dempsey Carry All. And if you're not new to my channel and you saw my other video where I talk about the Dempsey Carry All, you know that bag was not as big as I expected it to be. Now, I do think that's a perfect size bag for like an everyday bag, but it just wasn't as big as I expected it to be. Same for this Coach 15 bucket bag. But I'm someone who don't carry a lot with me, just genuinely, so for me it's not too bad. But of course, I'm gonna go ahead, put a couple of things in this bag so you can see exactly what fits in here. Let's just go ahead and do that now. So right now the bag is totally empty. Of course, as always, I have my trifold Coach wallet. I'm gonna just pop that off in there. I have my AirPod case. Don't leave the house without it. Pop that in there. Have some little hand lotion from Bath and Body Works. I'm gonna throw that off in there. House keys, throw it in there. Lipstick, throw it in there. Pressed powder, throw it in there. And my cell phone. Oh, hold on. Throw it in there. So literally everything, move this to the side, everything is in this bag, and it's not too heavy. It's just perfect. It's the perfect size for me to carry all the crap that I carry on a daily basis. Now, if you're someone obviously who carries more things, you know, maybe you might want to size up for the bigger bucket bag. It may be a little bit more practical for you, but for me, this is a very practical size bag because I don't carry a lot, and especially because it does have that, you know, crossbody option. It definitely makes it more versatile in my everyday life. Now, because I did tell you that it does have a bigger version of the bag, I'm just gonna go ahead and read off the sizing measurements just in case you're interested in that bag in comparison to this one. So the bigger bag is 8.5 inches in the length, 9.5 inches in the height, and 5.5 inches in the width. And just to run it back one more time, this smaller bag is 6 inches in the length, 7 in the height, 4 in the width. So it doesn't seem like it's big of a difference. It's about a 2 to 3 inches difference in the height and in the width of the bag. So if you're someone just need that extra space, then definitely size up for the bigger. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and insert a clip of me trying the bag on so you guys can see it, how you can carry it either top handle or crossbody wear. I do apologize, I didn't insert a clip of me actually wearing it as like a shoulder bag, so I'm sorry about that, you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and insert that clip now.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like Stockton. Just joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bet to the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Ooh. Told cool, he a fool with this shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine or Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the venue, it's packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a baby Simon down on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type.
Okay, you guys, so that is it for this Coach bag unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you go. Hopefully I'll be back soon with more Coach bag unboxings. If you guys have any questions about this bag that I didn't mention in the video, then please feel free to leave them down below. I'll be happy to answer them for you. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Distraction, that's my type of shit Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to